Today we are reviewing Samsung Galaxy A04S. The display size on this phone is 6.5 inches with the display type of PLS IPS LCD. The resolution on this phone is 720p with 270 ppi with the screen body ratio of 20:9, which is about 80.7% screen to body ratio. The front-facing camera has 5 megapixel. The internal storage on this phone is 64 gigabytes with microSD card expansion. There's no wireless charging available on this phone. The fingerprint sensor is available on face unlock feature. The rear camera has megapixel of 50 megapixel with 2 megapixel depth sensing and 2 megapixel macro. There is portrait mode available for both front and the rear camera on this phone. This phone has 4 gigabyte of RAM. The processor on this phone is Samsung Exynos 850. The maximum video recording on this phone is 1080p for both front and rear cameras with the battery capacity of 5,000 mAh. The software on this phone is Android 12 and has no NFC feature. This was review for Samsung Galaxy A04S.